Good morning, students. In last video, we have already studied the formation of image by concave mirror and convex mirror. In this video, we have studied the sign of convention for the reflection by spherical mirror. It is very easy and too much important. Without this sign, you can't proper study of light. If you understand, so the light is very easy, otherwise it is very difficult. Let's start conventional direction. This is the Cartesian and it is also the sign of WHO. This is the sign of Cartesian. You have studied coordinate, and this sign is called Cartesian, and it is also the sign of WHO. The doctors are use this sign here. This is the horizontal line, and this is the parallel line, and this is the intersecting point. This point is known as origin. This point is known as origin. All kind of mirror or lens are kept on this vertical line, and their pole or optical center is light at this intersecting point. Okay. Here the horizontal line, and this is the origin. From origin, here this is the x-axis, this one minus x-axis, vertical line upward plus y and downward minus y. And very simple, right side, all the distance from the origin, right side from the origin is always taken as positive, and all the distance from left side of the origin, is negative. All the distance upward from the origin is always taken positive, and below the origin negative. It is very simple, and this sign always remember during the study of light. Here, look here. Here is the Cartesian x dash, and the vertically on the y-axis, this is the origin where the mirror are placed. Pole is placed at the origin. This pole of the mirror is placed at the origin, either any kind of mirror. Look here, the distance towards right, taken positive. Distance toward left from the pole is taken as negative. Look, arrow sign. Distance upward, height upward from principal axis always taken positive, height, downward always taken negative. This is the 4. Rightward positive, leftward negative, upward positive, downward negative from the origin. Look here, for the sign convention, pole is taken as the origin. Already told you. Principal axis of the mirror is taken as the x-axis of the coordinate system. That the sign, Cartesian sign, is also known as coordinate system. The convention are as follows. जो मैंने बताया ये here is in the form of written. Object is always placed to the left side of the mirror. Object is always placed as the left side of the mirror. All the distance parallel to the principal axis are measured from the pole. All the distance measured from this pole. All the distance from the right side of the pole are taken as positive. This. While those measured left side of the pole are taken as negative. Left side. Distance measured perpendicular. This is the sign of perpendicular. Distance measured perpendicular to above the principal axis are taken as positive. This upward. The distance measured perpendicular to and below the principal axis are taken as negative. This is the below. This sign is more important for solving the question. Formula for focal length of mirror. To find the formula for focal length of the mirror, there are 3 quantity. First, distance of the object from the pole is called object distance. Distance from the pole is called object distance. This is represented by U. Distance of the image from the pole is called image distance V. Distance of the principal focus from the pole is called focal length, represented small. Formula for the focal length of the mirror is given by 1 upon F. 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. If two values are given, any two values are given, if two values are given, then you can calculate the third value. But if you see this formula is look like very easy, but if you know, properly understand these sign, then really it is very easy. Otherwise it is very difficult, because when you place the two value, any of the two value in these 3 in this formula, you always place the sign of the value. Suppose in conventional direction, it is given that the object is always placed at the left side of the mirror, left side of the spherical mirror, means the object is always placed left, towards left from the pole. It means the value of u is always negative. The value of u is always negative. So when you put the value of u is always negative. Another, focal length of concave mirror always negative. Negative because his face, you look, the face यानी reflector is always shown in the left side. In other words, you can say the center of curvature of concave mirror is always left side. That's why the focal length of the concave mirror is always placed negative. Focal length of convex mirror is equal to positive, because if you draw the convex mirror, outer side polish, inner side polish, the center of this mirror, convex mirror, is always right side with curvature, and the half of the curvature is focus. Means the focus of convex mirror is always right side, so the focal length is always positive. So this sign are used when you solve the numerical problem. Okay. Magnification of a spherical mirror. The ratio of height of the image and the height of object. The ratio of height of image I and height of object O is called magnification of spherical mirror. You can use H1 H2 at the place of I and O. The ratio of height of the image I and the height of object O is called magnification of spherical mirror. Means spherical mirror magnification is equal to height of image and height of object. Magnification represented by M, height of image I and height of object O, means M is equal to I upon O. It is also expressed in the form of U and V, means distance of object and distance of image. Then m इज इक्वल टू आई अपान रो इज इक्वल टू v अपान u माइनस द माइनस साइन shows the object is always placed left side of the mirror, that is negative. Okay, magnification means how much the image enlarged or diminished with respect to object. कि ऑब्जेक्ट जो इमेज बन रही है, द इमेज कितनी बड़ी और कितनी छोटी बन रही है विद रिस्पेक्ट टू ऑब्जेक्ट। ऑब्जेक्ट के कंपैरिजन जो इमेज की साइज है उसका जो रेशियो है दैट इज नोन एज मैग्निफिकेशन। ओके।